Hey everyone, let's make a 2D geometrical drawing here. I'm using an ivory sheet, compass and pencil, and let's draw a circle in the center of our sheet. Take a two finger gap from bottom and up, and now we will take center point from left and right. Again, two finger gap you can take, or you can measure it with your scale to take a center. Now we will draw our circle without moving our compass. Mark a point with pencil on our center point and now make a vertical line and horizontal line passing through the same center. Now we will take the edges of these lines and will match them, join them with a scale. We will do from all the side the same step, and you can see we are forming a square like this. After making this square, we will put our compass again in the same center, and what we will find the center of this half line. Like suppose it's 5.8, we will divide it by 2, so we will find the center of this upper line, this part, and it should be center. We will put the compass in the center and will make a circle exactly in the center, and it should be half of it. Similarly, we will make another circle in the rest of the half area. We will put the compass where the circle is ending and will form a circle, again a circle. Similarly, we will do in all the four sides. You can see where I'm putting my compass, and let's move the pencil nicely, or you can move your sheet just like I'm doing here. Now let's just put a marker, a thin permanent marker in the same compass and draw it again, or you can say we will trace it, outline it with the black marker. And if you're not able to fit your marker in the compass, you can draw it freehand, or you can just skip the this outlining part and directly color it. After erasing all the pencil work, time to color it. I'm here using alcoholic markers. You can use any kind of colors, like you can use crayons, pencil colors, or any kind of sketch pens. Let's do the beautiful coloring, and you can even shade it with double shadings also. I'm doing a single shade, but it's completely up to you. So let's see how I'm going to color it, and let me know your reviews about it. And I'm going to share with you a lot of geometrical designs and 3D designs also. So keep watching and let's see how it will look like after doing all the coloring.